Welcome to Three Mountains Regional Hospital. At Three Mountains Regional Hospital, we have a code of ethics that assures patients, staff, and visitors that ethical principles will guide and govern the decision-making of providing high-quality and ethical health care. The below code of ethics are designed to build these principles into decision-making at all levels of the institution. Patient relations. Every patient and visitor will be treated with dignity, respect, and courtesy. We will ensure that equal access to care is provided to all patients. Physician activities. All clinicians, physicians, and other referral sources will be credentialed in their respective areas and proven to be legal and to provide medical services. Billing services. Patients will be assured that the billing process is seamless and correct the first time and will provide affordable health care for all patients. Political activities. Employees may not donate funds, services, or products or other resources of any kind to any political cause, parties, or candidates. Personal contributions may be distributed to political parties on the may not be distributed to political parties on Three Mountains Regional Hospital grounds. Conflict of interest. All employees must avoid situations in which their personal interests could conflict or reasonably appear to conflict with the interests of Three Mountains Regional Hospital. Communication, including social media. Communication between employees, patients, visitors will be open, honest, and professional. Users of social media who indicate that they are employed by Three Mountains Regional Hospital must clearly specify that any opinions expressed are of their own and not those of the organization. Privacy. Three Mountains Regional Hospital will ensure that a patient's confidential information will not be compromised. Discrimination. Three Mountains Regional Hospital will not discriminate against race, creed, nationality, religion, sex, or the ability to pay. Respecting autonomy of patients. At all times, patients' desires and wishes will be respected in regards to patients' ethnic, spiritual, cultural, and lifestyle diversities. And lastly, stewardship of resources. Three Mountains Regional Hospital will strive to provide services in accordance with accepted standards of care and avoid offering services that are unnecessary or non-efficacious. Each patient that is admitted to Three Mountains Regional Hospital will be asked to complete a patient intake packet. The patient intake packet provides documents that will make your treatment convenient and less and seamless for you as a patient of Three Mountains Regional Hospital. Each document of the packet will be used as the framework to providers, staff, and family regarding your healthcare treatment and assures you that confidentiality is important to us. Three Mountains Regional Hospital, we have a privacy policy. This is a standing commitment to safeguard the privacy of our patients, to entrust their healthcare and medical records are safe from data breaches. Protecting the confidentiality and security of patient information is of the utmost importance to us, and we pledge to have safeguards and procedures in place to prevent patient breaches of confidentiality. HIPAA. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act includes the privacy rule. This rule was enacted in April of 2001, and that required that all medical facilities are to be in compliance with privacy, security, and electronic data provisions. At Three Mountains Regional Hospital, patients can be assured that their medical records are safe and secure with our advanced technology and HIPAA privacy education that is provided to all staff and volunteers on a yearly basis. What are the goals and the purpose of HIPAA? The goals of HIPAA is to ensure that every covered healthcare organization has implemented safeguards to protect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of electronic protected health information. HIPAA and the privacy rule protect a patient's health information while permitting the appropriate access and use of that information by healthcare providers, clearinghouses, and health plans. A living will. The living will is a document that we encourage all patients to complete prior to admission to a hospital. The living will asks patients what their wishes are in regards to end-of-life and emergent situations. Examples of type of care that a patient can accept or refuse in these situations are: do you wish to have comfort care and forego any life-saving measures? Do you wish to have a feeding tube? Do you wish to be on a ventilator? Are you an organ donor? These are very difficult decisions for family and guardians to make in an already difficult situation. Having a living will completed prior to admission will provide vital treatment directions for providers and healthcare workers, as well as family and guardians. And the last document in the patient intake packet is the acknowledgement receipt. We ask that all patients sign the acknowledgement of patient care packet to reinforce to patients and staff that the treatment and privacy of our patients are understood by all, and that the wishes of the patient will be carried out during life-saving events. We hope that you will entrust your medical care and treatment to Three Mountains Regional Hospital.